Hello everyone, in today's video I will be talking about easy and relatively budget-friendly modifications you can do to your 2TC engine to give it a bit more pep. Now let's get started. Firstly, I would highly suggest before installing modifications to your engine, I would be checking if the compression is good, new spark plugs are installed, and the valve clearances are properly adjusted. Sorry about that. Now for the mods, I would recommend buying a Weber 3236 along with an adapter plate. The stock carburetor is alright and all, but tunability wise, it's not so great. And the amount of airflow at higher RPMs is less than optimal. And what I've found out is that by changing to the 3236, the bottom end was still very good and it picked up a bit more top end as well. Next would be to install a good long tube header, as this will bolster your bottom end torque up to the mid-range. This is especially beneficial if you frequently use your car out on the street. A 4-to-1 design with a clockwise firing order and around 1.9 inches in diameter for the primaries for the header design should yield you good results. Getting an MSD blaster coil is also recommended, along with installing a Petronix unit in your distributor in order to convert it into electronic ignition. But if you can buy a 2TG electronic distributor where you are cheaply and easily, I'd opt with this route, as it's the easiest way to convert to electronic ignition. Since the 2TC is only 1.6 liters in engine capacity, as I mentioned earlier, the size of the header tube diameter at 1.9 inches. Now for the header back, I suggest going 2.25 inches in diameter for the entirety of your exhaust system, excluding the header. For the fuel system, I suggest removing the mechanical fuel pump and replacing it with an electronic pump along with a fuel pressure regulator in order to provide the Weber 3236 carburetor with adequate fuel. All of this combined together would give you a more peppy 2TC engine without costing too much money. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked the video, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you would like to support the channel, links would be down at the description box below.